In this video, I will walk you through the process of how to change your Lloyds bank password if forgotten. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. Let's dive in. So to begin, open a browser and type in Lloyds Bank. Once on the site, select Log On and choose the type of account you want to change the password for, whenever it's personal or business. Next, click on Forgotten your login details. Indicate what you have forgotten. In this case, it's the password. Click on Continue and you'll be directed to a new page where you need to input details such as your user ID, first name, last name and date of birth. At this point, click on Continue. If you don't know your user ID, click No when prompted. In the following steps, choose your account type, enter your account number, sort code, full name, last name and date of birth. Then click on Continue. Complete the additional step, including email verification and phone verification. Once done, your password will be successfully changed. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.